Can we judge personalities by choices of animals? While it's not necessarily accurate to judge someone's personality solely based on their choice of animal, there are some general associations between certain animals and personality traits. Here are a few examples. Choose an animal from list and see what it says about your personality. Dog, cat, horse, bird. 1. Dog, often associated with loyalty, trustworthiness, and companionship. People who prefer dogs may be perceived as friendly and dependable. 2. Cat, often associated with independence, intelligence, and curiosity. People who prefer cats may be perceived as independent and introspective. 3. Horse, often associated with strength, freedom, and grace. People who prefer horses may be perceived as ambitious and adventurous. 4. Bird, often associated with freedom, creativity, and communication. People who prefer birds may be perceived as expressive and imaginative. Again, it's important to remember that these are general associations and should not be used to make assumptions about someone's personality. People may also have different reasons for their choice of animal, such as personal experiences, cultural or family traditions, or simply a fondness for a particular species.